Subway meatball sandwiches for about 2 months now. I got an endorsement deal, and I think I will eat meatball sandwiches from Subway until the day I die. No matter why. They just taste good and they are a good deal, and they're right down the street from me, and that's where I like to stay, so I can have some convenience to get my food that I need every day. And I gotta get some banana liquor, okay? Get it up in the sky. Yeah, you're gonna die too. Then I can come and take it off from you, so I can bring it back to me. Then I'm gonna be doing those streets. Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm the homeless monkey and I'm not playing. I'll be laying it down in the streets and taking my shit if I see it on you. But you're the one that's trying to be, but I know that it was so partially done, but